Hello everyone. Today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 29.7 to 40.6 Baby Gate for Stairs, a Mom's Choice Awards winner that doubles as a dog gate for doorways, designed to keep your little ones and pets safe. This metal baby gate features a double lock safety release, effectively blocking curious babies and toddlers from accessing staircases and off-limit areas. With its convenient walk-through design, the gate stands 30.5 inches tall and adjusts from 29.7 to 40.6 inches wide, offering a 23.6-inch gap for easy access while carrying your child. Built from durable steel, it can withstand up to 150 N of pressure, ensuring stability for families with children and pets alike. Installation is a breeze with its simple pressure mounting system, taking just 10 minutes and requiring no tools, making it perfect for stairs, hallways, doorways, and open spaces. Plus, Cumbor offers a range of baby gates and accessories in various sizes, supporting both pressure and drill installation to fit your specific needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable and sturdy solution to keep your home safe, the Cumbor Baby Gate is an excellent choice for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.